Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Ford Edge. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and either a 7mm or 10mm socket, depending on your specific model. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your vehicle. Always park your Edge on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine before you begin. Now, let's get to the headlight. Open your hood and find the two bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward. It might be held by some clips, so a steady pull will help release it without damage. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its locking tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, aligning it with the mounting points. Reinstall the two bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.